Hey guys, welcome to Fishhook. I'm Charles, and on today's episode, I'd like to show you two of the most basic knots I use to tie my hooks or lures to the leader. First knot I'd like to talk about is the improved clinch knot, all-purpose knot to tie mono or fluorocarbon to your hook or to your lure. Take the tag end of the leader, stick it through the eye, pull out 6-8 inches, whatever you're comfortable with. Pinch this and hold it in place. Take the tag end, form a little loop, and we're going to wrap this in here 5 times. 2. This will be 3. 4 and 5. Now we've got it there. Pull it. Then take this tag end, put it through this loop, hold it, and then you're going to pull it through this loop one more time to cinch it down. Then all you have to do is pull the other end of the leader to there and tighten it up. Pull this to tighten it, snug it up, and there is the improved clinch knot. Simple and secure. Snip off the end. And there you have it.